Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Sign in to the same Apple ID on each device and update to the latest iOS or Mac OS. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is stable so sync can occur without interruptions. Open Settings or System Settings and navigate directly to Apple ID. This is where iCloud controls live. You do this now to avoid later conflicts. Mismatched accounts or outdated OS versions are the most common causes of sync failures, so fix them before continuing. Next, enable note syncing. Open iCloud settings and toggle Notes on for every device. Then open the Notes app settings and make iCloud the default account so new notes save to iCloud instead of local or third-party accounts. Wait a minute for the initial upload. Large notebooks may take longer. Also check iCloud storage. If you're near capacity, the app won't sync new content. Once enabled, the app uploads changes and merges items, so conflicts are minimized when everyone uses iCloud as the source. To finish, test sync by creating a simple note and checking another device. Updates should appear within seconds to minutes. If not, force sync by toggling notes off then on or rebooting the device. This restarts the sync engine. Make sure iCloud mail/contacts/calendars aren't causing broader account issues. If problems persist, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in, or free up iCloud storage. These actions resolve most conflicts. Keep an eye on network and account consistency as the key long-term fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.